Blow the ashes where the fire sleep. The mountain tall but the roots run deep. Wind whispers tales from another time. It cools the burn but the fuse the climb. Flame the wind, flame the fire. Lift me higher, higher, higher. Feel the beat, feel the sound. Roots run deep where we stand our ground. River sings while the earth stays still. Rolling slow down the ancient hill. Sunrise paints the sky in gold. Every story new, every story old. Oh, Jah Jah, guide me now. Through the storm somehow. Flame the wind, flame the fire. Lift me higher, higher, higher. Feel the beat, feel the sound. Roots run deep where we stand our ground. Echoes bounce off the canyon wall. Answers come when the spirits call. Light and shadow, they twist, they turn. In the flame where the truth still burns. the shadows play. Iron green smoke rolls, it rolls, it rolls through my lungs and through my soul. Heavy as the night, it won't let go. Iron green smoke rolls, it rolls, it rolls. Fingers of mist curl and twist, they climb, telling stories without rhythm or rhyme. The trees sway slow like they hear a tune, dancing under a reggae moon. And the beat, it hits so low. Feel it in my chest, feel it as it grows. Iron green smoke rolls, it rolls, it rolls through my lungs and through my soul. Heavy as the night, it won't let go. Iron green smoke rolls, it rolls, it rolls. Echoes bounce like a ghost in the air. The dove's heartbeat takes me somewhere. Footsteps vanish, but the groove stays clear. Iron green smoke whispers near. Sunrise slow like a lion's breath. Roots dig deep in the earth's chest. Wind whispers tales of the blessed. Mount Zion calling me, yeah. Where the air is free, so free. Mount Zion calling me, that's where I'll be. Babylon crumble like a house of sand. Chains can't hold when truth takes a stand. Freedom beats like a drum in my hand. I hear the hills hum a sacred tune. The stars align under the silver moon. Mount Zion calling me, yeah. Where the air is free, so free. Mount Zion calling me, that's where I'll be. Echoes of justice bounce through the skies. Thunder rolls with the people's cries. A fire burns in the lion's eyes. heaven sway, ash to sky, in a fiery ballet, dust to dust, but the rhythm stays. No chains, no chains, just the drums embrace. Smoke rise Zion, carry us home. Smoke rise Zion, where rivers roll. Smoke rise Zion, roots and stone. Smoke rise Zion, we are never alone. Red sun sinks while the night unfolds. The earth still sings, secrets untold, whispers in the trees, stories so old. A chant, a dance in the fire's glow. Oh Zion, oh Zion, hear the call. Through the hills, through the valleys, through it all. One love, one heart, standing tall. Oh Zion, we won't fall. Smoke rise Zion, carry us home. Smoke rise Zion, where the rivers roll. Smoke rise Zion, roots and stone. Smoke rise Zion, we are never alone. Fire, we ascend. No beginning, no end, no pretend. Smoke rise Zion, where the soul can mend. Smoke rise Zion, where love transcends. Feel the rhythm, the heart's own beat. Above the nation, where the air runs free. Above the nation, that's a place to be. Above the nation, higher we climb. Above the nation, leave the world behind. Echoes of the drum roll wide, bassline shakes the earth inside. Stars fall laughing, nights parade, dancing shadows never fade. Roots run deep where the rivers play. Under the sun where the children stray. Every leaf a story, every branch a name. Earth keeps spinning but the roots remain. Eternal roots, eternal rise. Feel the earth beneath the skies. Eternal roots, eternal flame. Hold your ground, remember your name. Remember your name. Wind whispers secrets through the tall bamboo. Mountains hum songs of an ancient crew. Raindrops a rhythm on the drum of the soil. Harmony grows where the hands have toiled. Feel the heartbeat, steady and slow. Feel the heartbeat, let it flow. Eternal roots, eternal rise. Feel the earth beneath the skies. Eternal roots, eternal flame. Hold your ground, remember your name. Echoes of the past in the beat of the drum. Every step forward where we came from. Branches may bend but the trunk won't break. Roots hold strong, no storm can shake. Storm can shake. Eternal roots, eternal rise. Feel the earth beneath the skies. Eternal roots, eternal flame. Hold your ground, remember your name. fall soft like the rhythm of life, washing away all the worldly strife. Roots dig deep, sharper than a knife. Feel the soul, hear it speak. Wisdom strong, ancient and meek. In the garden of eternal, we find our way, where the earth hums low and the skies don't gray. Garden of eternal, where we stay. shine it till the shadows fade. Like the alleyway, we're not afraid. Moon plays shy through the smoky air. Whispers carry, but no faces there. A rat runs quick like a stolen thought. Silent steps on a world forgot. Light the alleyway, light the street. Fire in the dark, make the night retreat. Shine it till the shadows fade. Light the alleyway, we no afraid. Each step a riddle, each turn a test. Heartbeat steady in a lion chest. Darkness heavy, but the soul stay bright. Alleyway narrow, but we own the night. Light the alleyway, light the street. Fire in the dark, make the night retreat. Shine it till the shadows fade. Light the alleyway, we no afraid. Under the roots, the skyline sway, chanting rhythms to keep night at bay. Concrete jungle, stars can play. Roots the skyline. Feel the bassline rise like sunshine. Roots the skyline. Roots to skyline, roots to skyline. Feel the bassline, rise like sunshine. Roots to skyline, roots to skyline. Echoes dancing, time rewinds.
Stone in my hand feels heavy tonight. Smoke in the air, it steals my sight. The earth beneath whispers low, so low. Stone and smoke, they hold the key. Stone and smoke, they're guiding me. Stone and smoke, oh can't you see? They set my mind, my soul, they free. The moon dips low, hides its face. Clouds drift slow, a silent chase. Time moves strange in this smoky place. Fingers trace the lines in stone. Each groove a story, each crack my own. Stone and smoke, they hold the key. Stone and smoke, they're guiding me. Stone and smoke, oh can't you see? They set my mind, my soul, they free. Echoes bounce where shadows lean. A rhythm flows unseen, unseen. Stone whispers back, smoke wraps me tight. I'm lost in the depth of this endless night.
sleep. Every step is a secret to keep. I hear the drums, they speak to the deep. Tower of Zion, calling me home. Tower of Zion, where spirits roam. Echoes rise from the ocean floor. The tower stands where love restores. Ocean whisper, soft and low, under the moonlight, where shadows grow. Stars be dancing, the rhythm slow. A fire burns, hearts start to glow. Under the door, me knock, me wait. The moonlight bright, but me heart can't stay. The rhythm of the earth, it pull me in. The drum line talking where love
me knock once more. Under the adore. Love come calling, can't ignore. Me feel the breeze, it whisper low. The stars them wink, the river flow. Me hands them tremble, me feet them stay. But me heart done run, it find its way. Is it open? Is it closed? The answer hid where love exposed. Under the adore, under the adore. Me knock once more. Under the adore, under the adore. Love come calling, can't ignore. The rhythm echo, the spirit rise. The dubs surround me, get baptized. Under the adore, me soul confess. A love so raw it can't suppress. Once more, under the adore, under the adore. Love come calling, can't ignore. Smoke in the hills, it whispers loud. Chasing shadows in a drifting cloud. Echoes hum where the drums collide. The earth she shakes, she won't divide. When under the fire, it lifts it high. mountains echo songs of the bold and brave. Children of the sun, we dance in the rain, healing our souls, washing the pain. One love, one heart, we rise above. The ashes glow with the light of love. Zion fire, it burns so bright, guiding us through the darkest night. Zion fire, feel the heat, a rhythm of freedom, steady and sweet. Ancient voices in the winds they sing, telling tales of peace that tomorrow brings. The flames don't fade,